A Tale of Two Hygienists presents this week's TIPisode, quick and easy tips to keep you up to date and presented by the experts in the profession. Now, get ready for your unofficial TIPisode.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to get to sponsor today's TIPisode. I have been a guest on this podcast several times before and have even had an opportunity to host a few episodes with Michelle and Andrew. But for those of you who don't know me, I am Sarah Thiel, the owner and co-founder of CE Zoom. CE Zoom is a complete CE management company that is an all-inclusive solution for everything CE. CE Zoom was created 7 years ago. However, it was an idea in my head for 4 years before that. During the last 11 years, I have spoken with many people about CE and their understanding of how it all works. It's crazy to me how confused all sides of the fence are. And by that, I am referring to the dental professional, the state regulating bodies, and the CE providers who offer the CE. The CE Zoom software has simplified the entire process. If you are a company or speaker wanting to offer a course, we got you. However, this TIPisode is not about that part of CE Zoom. We have a new feature we launched, and I am jumping out of my skin excited about it. And for that reason, I am going to focus on the professional today. As a dental professional, you graduate school and feel like if they try to teach you one more thing, your head might explode. At least mine did. I graduated from dental hygiene school in 2007. When I graduated, I was worried about passing my boards and obtaining my license. The last thing on my mind was maintaining this fancy new piece of paper that I just got. When it came for that time to renew my license, I spent hours reading through my state requirements. I felt like I was trying to read in a different language. Legalese was never my strong suit. I struggled trying to understand what it was I needed to do to be able to renew my license. Through a long, drawn-out story that I'm not going to explain in this episode, CE Zoom was created. It was created for myself and for all of you. It really shouldn't be that hard to stay compliant. I mean, school is hard enough, and we all want what is best for our patients. I can't speak for all of you, but for me, I want to keep learning and growing professionally. What I learned in school 14 years ago is completely different than what the standard of practices are today. Continuing education is vital for our profession, and trying to make sure you get all the CE you have to renew your license is a chore all in itself. CE requirements are hard to read and understand. There are certain course categories that we have to take, and some that only allow a certain amount of CE on that topic. Most states have recognized approved providers, where some don't call any out at all. What is an approved provider, you might ask? It's the accreditation that lets the state dental board know if the course you took was given by someone qualified and recognized to do so. AGD PACE and ADA CERP are two examples of an approved provider. Some states are on a yearly renewal, where others may renew every 2 or 3 years, all in different months. There's a lot going on there, along with a lot of miscommunication, and some just flat out not understanding any of it. So we've made it simple. CE Zoom has created your total package. It's called Your because it is specific to you and your license type and the state you are licensed in. Because we all know the requirements are not the same across the board. My team at CE Zoom has spent 7 years researching and building this system. We are also dedicated to making sure our tracker is correct and in line with the state rules. We have done this so you have the ability to just log into your account, select the courses you need, and know what is required of you to renew your license. The best analogy I can think of to describe this is we literally hand you everything you need on a silver platter. No more worrying if you are compliant, no more searching for courses, and no more stressing if you can even afford to obtain all your required CE. At our introductory rate of $25 per month, you can stream 96 hours of live CE over the course of a year. We also have a wide variety of self-study courses for you to choose from if for some reason you can't make the dates and times of all the courses that are included in the package work out for you. Our courses aren't just webinars either. We bring energy, excitement, fun, and the best speakers the dental industry has. You guys, it also includes the Ultimate CE Tracker upgrade. This is an $8 a month value. So technically, you're getting all of these courses for $17 a month. According to our research and several surveys, the average going rate for 1 hour of CE is $15 per credit hour. We are giving it to you for less than $2.50 per credit hour. I know, it's amazing. And I am so excited this dream is finally here. I'm even more excited that I get to share it with all of my colleagues. If you aren't currently a member of CE Zoom, go sign up at cezoom.com and upgrade. If you are a current member already, log into your account and upgrade to your total package. And you can feel totally relaxed, compliant, and renewed. To wrap this up, I just want to remind you, we do the research. We provide the required courses. We track your renewal progress. And you just have to show up. So one more time for the people in the back whose ears just perked up at that price, go to cezoom.com to sign up, or if you are already a member, log in to your account and upgrade to your total package. If you have further questions, we can be reached at help@cezoom.com. Now, time to learn.
We hope you enjoyed this week's TIPisode. Be sure to reach out to our guest experts and let them know how helpful their tips were. Follow A Tale of Two Hygienists on Facebook, Instagram, and head over to ataleoftwohygienists.com and subscribe to our newsletter. You can also email us at ataleoftwohygienists@gmail.com and keep listening for more awesome content from your unofficial dental hygiene podcast.